was an English musician who was the drummer for the rock band The Rolling Stones from 1963 until his death in 2021. One of the band's core members, he performed on all of their studio albums. His family, his spouse, Stella Stafford. He married his wife in 1964. Wife Stella Stafford, who he had met before the band was effective. His daughter named Serafina Watts. Her daughter is the only daughter of the late Rolling Stones drummer. His daughter born on 18th March 1968. His father named Charles Watts. His mother named Lillian Watts. Family. He had a sister. Old memory with family. He had an estimated net worth of $250 million. He was born at University College Hospital in the Bloomsbury, London. His father was a lorry driver for the London, Midland and Scottish Railway. As a child, he lived in the Wembley at 23 Pilgrims Way. He and his family moved to Kingsbury, where he attended Taylor's Croft Secondary Modern School from 1952 to 1956. As a schoolboy, he displayed a talent for the art, music, cricket, and football. When he and Green were both about 13, he became interested in the drumming. His parents gave him his first drum kit in 1955, and he practiced drumming along to jazz rocks he collected. After completing secondary school, he enrolled a Harrow Art School, which he attended until 1960. After leaving art school, he worked as a graphical designer for an advertising company called Charlie Daniels Studios, and also played drums occasionally with local bands in coffee shops and clubs. He and Green began their music careers together from 1958 to 1959, playing in the jazz band in the Middle Axis called the Joe Jones All-Stars. In mid-1962, he first met Brian Jones, Ian Stu Stewart, Mike Jagger, and Keith Richards, who also frequented the London Rhythm and the blues clubs. It was not until Jan 1963 that Watts finally agreed to join the Rolling Stones. Originally trained as a graphic artist, he developed an interest in the jazz at a young age and joined the band Blues Incorporated. He also started playing drum in London rhythm and blues clubs. His first public appearances as a permanent member was in Feb 1963, and he remained with the group until his death 58 years later. Aside from his career with the Rolling Stones, he toured with his own group, the Charlie Watts Quintet, and appeared in the London at Ronnie Scott's Jazz Club with the Charlie Watts Quintet. He died at the London hospital on 24 August 2021 at the age of 80 with his family around him.